If you've got crabgrass, nutsedge, other grassy weeds, or even some broadleaf weeds you need to eliminate from your lawn, then check out Q4 Plus. Q4 Plus Turf Herbicide is a selective post-emergent herbicide that's labeled to control over 91 species of broadleaf and grassy weeds in cool season and warm season lawns. This product combines Quinclorac, Sulfentrazone, 2,4-D, and Dicamba to kill weeds on contact and systemically without injuring desired foliage or turfgrass. Q4 Plus Turf Herbicide is a concentrate and must be mixed with water before application. For most household applications, mix and apply this product with a handheld pump sprayer. For larger applications, you can also use a backpack sprayer, a hose end sprayer, or a spray rig. Before application, figure out how much product you need to use by measuring your treatment area's square footage. You'll use this value and your turfgrass species to determine how much product you will need. A spot treatment on cool season turf needs 2.6 to 3 whole fluid ounces of Q4 Plus Turf Herbicide mixed into 1 gallon of water to apply over 1,000 square feet. Broadcast treatments over cool season turf need 7 to 8 pints of product mixed into 20 gallons of water per acre. Spot treatments over warm season turf need 1.84 to 2.57 fluid ounces of product mixed into 1 gallon of water to apply over 1,000 square feet. Broadcast treatments over warm season turf need 5 to 7 pints of product mixed into 20 gallons of water per acre. Once you've thoroughly mixed your product, apply the solution evenly over your treatment area. Use a low-pressure fan or cone spray setting for even coverage. Once applied, allow the product to dry completely before people or pets re-enter the area. Visible symptoms of affected plants include stunting, reddening, yellowing, and tissue death, which will typically appear 7 to 14 days after application. Q4 Plus Turf Herbicide can be used to control weeds in warm season and cool season turf on residential sites like homes and apartment complexes, ornamental sites around parks or other recreational areas, institutional sites like schools or hospitals, non-cropland sites like roadside ditches or shoulders, and agricultural sites. Tolerant cool season grasses include Kentucky bluegrass, fescues, and perennial ryegrass, and tolerant warm season grasses include Bermuda grass and zoysia grass. Refer to the product's label for a complete list of tolerant and intolerant grass species, as well as a full list of weeds controlled. Apply Q4 Plus in the morning and avoid application during extreme heat or dry conditions. For the best control of most grassy weeds, applications in the early summer are recommended. To control crabgrass, start applications in the late summer when the crabgrass has matured. For broadleaf weeds, spring and fall applications are recommended. Q4 Plus is safe and harmless to children or pets when used according to label directions. Always wear the proper, personal, protective equipment or PPE when handling this product. Some tolerant turf grasses may exhibit temporary injury or discoloration, but will recover after 7 to 21 days.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small, family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to help you treat your pest problem. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.